Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to obtain a business license or permit for food manufacturing unit in Manipur. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be direct to go to this page. So now, you have to enter your name of the company or organization, address, select the state, district, sub-district, pin code, GST number, CA number, PAN number, then click on this save and next button. So next you have to fill the product selection, next you have to fill the communication details, and then you have to upload all the necessary documents. Finally you can pay the amount in online mode itself. So after successful completing the payment, a receipt will be generated with a 17-digit reference number. Make a print of it and keep it safe for future reference. And you can track the application through the home page. This application will be processed by them and they will notify you through your email or by SMS. Then there are the required documents of detailed information and in office and location section provided with the departments and contact details that need to be approached for this process. Then in fee section for more fee details, please use this links. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us. So we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.